Hey guys, I'm Ryan.
I'm Adam.
And this is Two Neighbors. So Adam, what are we watching today?
We all like cats, right? So why not watch a cat video? Or at least I think that's what it is. Yeah, funniest cats. Funniest cats we're watching. It says, don't try to hold back laughter. Alright, so we won't.
You think all people like cats? If a little like asterisks, I think most people like cats. There's some people already, like they're getting warmed up. They're like, oh, I do not like cats.
You don't have to like cats to like these videos. Especially if the cats get hurt.
We like cats, so.
Oh, well, I'm a new cat convert simply because my fiance had 2 cats when we moved in together, so they've warmed up to me. So I am now a cat, but I am a dog person at heart.
But you're a converted cat lover.
I like cats.
All right.
But I love dogs.
Welcome to the converted cat lover club.
Let's do it.
Let's roll. It's like doing it on its own.
I mean, that was to be expected.
Oh, a hairless cat.
Oh.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Look at its eyes, it's so bulgy. Now what do I do? It's so weird for a cat to want to do that.
It's weird.
An auto-tuned cat.
Come on. Come on, let's go. You better get up here.
Come check this.
Look at the print.
Oh, he's got the swagger. Whoa.
Oh, he's eating that
He's eating a fish.
Oh, wow.
The dog's like, the French
The dog's
is
trying to
like,
eat him.
cat's like, no, no.
Shoplifter.
Fish.
You just jump out of a car with a fish?
Yeah.
That's something you don't see every day.
Bites the dog in the chest.
Face.
Look. Looking at. Well, that's what I don't like about cats. And that.
你起来换我，换我，换我。给你我，给
Here, bite this arm.
咬吧，
I'll bite your face.
咬吧。那你再来。啊？
Oh, that cat's cute.
叔叔你错没有？
He looks like an animatronic cat.
Yeah,
错没？
those eyes.
Like Ryan DePaulo degenerate game.
Yeah.
Parkour!
Dog's got the right idea.
Poor cat. So agile.
Oh.
Why you acting like a creep? Just
That's like the New York
Nigga, what the
Jets trying
fuck?
to play
Don't touch
against
me.
Kansas City.
Nigga, go
Don't touch me, bitch.
Oh.
Get into like cat food.
I think it. Yeah.
Oh. Nasty kitty.
Mikey, what are you doing?
You got it, buddy.
Oh, those are cute cats.
We'll take Jabba the Hutt. Like, I'm just gonna-
my cats do that sometimes.
Just scratch himself on the way down. I know how this ends. Yeah. I used to have a cat that would do that, like turn his head upside down and like,
That's side crazy cat walk.
yeah.
Oh, so tired.
Give me your hands. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Come on. Good. Ah!
The drama drop.
Ooh, watch me, watch me. Ooh, watch me, watch me. Back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up. Oh, oh, oh.
The heck is that fur ball? That's clearly like a Japanese cat. Oh my gosh.
Some cats love water. It's
Yeah.
weird, but some of them do. Look at this. He's like, I didn't do that.
Hello. Oh. What are you doing there? Okay. All right.
皇后娘娘，您千万不要被这些花言巧语给骗了。
He's better than Tony.
Yeah.
Not quite.
Gotta stay off the
Look at this guy.
kibble for a bit. He's not even getting it in his mouth. That's just a dumb cat.
哎，多听话的小孩。你说妈妈，我就是小孩嘛，小朋友嘛，小朋友不得听话吗？
Is that a mouse?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, it is.
You can see my girl trying to phase me.
That's it.
Alrighty.
Well, that was quite enjoyable, laughable.
Yeah, if you guys don't have a cat, adopt a cat.
It's always good to adopt a cat.
Yeah, they're not all
Too
this
many-
crazy.
No.
Some
I'm
of them.
lucky.
Yeah.
But I've met some crazy cats before, and I don't like crazy cats. Like my sister had a cat that was crazy, and it like ran around the room. You can never like, it was never. That's what I don't like about cats. Is sometimes they're not very like intimate with you. Like, you know, a dog, man's best friend,
Yeah.
loyal as fuck.
You can, with a dog, most of the time, you go like, and it'll be right by your side. With a cat, you do that. Now, if it wants to come up, it's gonna come up. Otherwise, it's gonna just stare at you and be like,
Jingle a bell
"No,
or
bro."
something. I'm
and
not
off
coming.
it goes. Yeah. It's like, no, bro, I'll see you later.
That's what I know. I need my best friend. But still, nonetheless, very funny video with all these cats doing some interesting things. There were some really cute cats on that show.
There was. Well, look, guys, you're looking at a couple animal lovers here, so it doesn't have to be cats, anything. If you guys have some crazy animal reaction videos you want us to check out, let us know down below. Leave a link to the video along with hashtag,
My request.
and we will check it out.
That's it for our show today, guys. Thank you very much for joining us. Please subscribe, and we will see you next time.
Later, guys.